Welcome to day 4. As a reminder, take it easy on your body if you have injuries. Just do what you can. Our scripture today is Proverbs 18:10. So today's stretch is a little bit different. We're going to target dynamic stretches, which are stretches that move and aren't held. So we're going to move a little bit today. You may need a chair to assist with balance. Let's start with our quad stretches. Placing your left hand on the chair, we're going to grab your ankle and hold it. If this is too difficult, you can lie on your side and copy the same movement with the leg that's on top. Hold here. Now let's switch to the other side. And hold. Taking in deep breaths as you can. And just relax into these stretches. Okay, now we're going back to the right. Okay, and now to the left. Okay, so now we're going to place our leg out in front with your heel up, and we're going to lean back on the other leg and hold. You may also feel a stretch in your back leg. Okay, switch sides. Taking breaths. Okay, now let's repeat on the right. If your leg shakes a little bit, it's okay. It's part of the stretching. Last one. You're going to hold onto the chair for this one. Be sure to make any adjustments and modifications to these stretches. Okay, so now let's do our leg swings. Hold onto the chair and swing your leg forward and back. These leg swings should be easy. They are not full kicks. Now the left. Even though we're doing more dynamic stretches, remember to breathe. Now we have our side twists and stretch. You want to make sure you get a good stretch in your side with each twist and with each reach. We have 8 sets. Remember to breathe. Okay, let's move to our forward facing lunge. We're going to shift right and left for 8 counts. Then we're going to hold for 8, leaning into the side lunge. Then we straighten. Now we repeat to the left. We're going to do this 4 times. Next, we have our roll down hamstring stretch. We roll down for 8, reaching for the floor, and then up for 8. The goal is to go a little bit lower with each stretch. We're going to do this 5 times. Remember to breathe. Okay, last we have grand plie pulses. Take a second position with your hands on your hips. We're going to take a deep plie and we're going to pulse for 7 counts, and then we're going to squeeze up on 8. We repeat this 4 times. All right, let's reach up, taking in a good breath, and then let it out. Take another breath in and release it. I am praying a special blessing upon each of you today. Until next time.